Have you ever found yourself staring at a closet full of clothes, but still feel like you have absolutely nothing to wear? Trust me, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into why this happens and how you can finally put an end to those frustrating moments. Get ready for some practical tips to transform your wardrobe and bring back the joy of getting dressed. Hello, my elegant family. Welcome back to Peel, your go-to place for all things style, elegance, and empowerment. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our growing community and stay updated with tips on living your most refined life. And to our loyal subscribers, thank you. Let's jump right into today's tips. One common reason why you might feel like you have nothing to wear is because you're buying individual pieces rather than outfits. You find a cute top or an eye-catching pair of jeans, but when you get home, you realize it doesn't go with anything in your closet. Does it sound familiar? To avoid this, try to shop with outfits in mind. Think about what will complement pieces you already have. When you see something you like, ask yourself, what can I wear this with that I already own? This approach will help you build a cohesive wardrobe with items that complement each other, making it much easier to put together stylish outfits. A wardrobe without basic pieces can leave you feeling like nothing fits together. Basics like a well-fitted white tee, classic jeans, or a versatile blazer serve as the foundation for countless outfits. Take stock of your wardrobe essentials. Are you missing any key pieces that would make your wardrobe more versatile? By investing in high-quality basics, you'll create a foundation that makes pairing with statement pieces much easier. And hey, if you'd love a video on essential wardrobe staples, type yes in the comments below. Another challenge is emotional attachment to your clothes. We all have those just-in-case clothes, the ones we hold on to for sentimental reasons or for that maybe someday occasion. You often hold on to items that you think you should wear but never do. Maybe you bought something because it was trendy or on sale, but it doesn't actually fit your personal style. But holding on to items you rarely wear just adds clutter and makes it harder to find pieces you actually enjoy. If you haven't worn it in a year, it's likely time to let it go. Consider doing a closet clean out. Be honest with yourself and only keep items that serve you now. Decluttering will not only give you more space, but it'll also make room for pieces that fit your current style and bring you joy when getting dressed. Quick check-in. Are these tips hitting home for you? Drop a comment with one word that sums up your biggest wardrobe challenge. And if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. It helps more people discover our channel and join the journey. Another reason you might feel disconnected from your wardrobe is because your clothes don't fit your current lifestyle. Many of us fall into the trap of trying to keep up with ever-changing trends, which can leave us with clothes that don't suit our personal style or feel cohesive. Instead of chasing trends, focus on developing your unique style. Ask yourself what colors, cuts, and styles truly feel authentic to you. By building a wardrobe based on your unique preferences, getting dressed will feel more intuitive and enjoyable. For example, maybe you're holding onto corporate outfits but mostly work from home now, or perhaps you've got a closet full of dressy items but live a laid-back lifestyle. Or sometimes it's as simple as not knowing what your personal style is. You see trends and styles online or in magazines, and you try to incorporate them into your wardrobe, but they don't feel authentic to who you are. You need to take the time to figure out what works for you and what doesn't. When you're trying to follow someone else's style, it's like trying to put a square peg in a round hole. It just won't fit. Take some time to evaluate your wardrobe based on your life right now. Adjust your wardrobe to reflect your daily needs and lifestyle. This way, you'll have pieces that work for you, making getting dressed a smoother and more enjoyable experience. One of the main reasons we feel stuck with our wardrobe is a lack of organization. A cluttered closet can make it hard to see what you actually own, which makes putting together an outfit feel like an impossible task. By organizing your closet, you'll not only create space, but also make it easier to see your options. Use organizers, dividers, or even color coding to categorize items, making it easy to grab pieces and quickly build outfits without the stress. I've found it especially helpful to organize my closet by grouping similar items together, like tops, bottoms, dresses, and jackets, so everything is easy to find and style. Lastly, many of us have also been conditioned to believe that more is better. We think that the more clothes we have, the more options we'll have. But the truth is, when you have too many options, it can be overwhelming. You end up standing in front of your closet, feeling like you have nothing to wear because everything seems mediocre. You need to shift your mindset from quantity to quality. Let's quickly review the steps to end the nothing to wear struggle once and for all. Start by decluttering your closet. Remove anything that's stained, ripped, or unflattering and sort the rest into keep, donate, or sell and discard piles. Be honest. If you haven't worn it in a year, it's probably time to let it go. Then consider building a capsule wardrobe with high quality, versatile pieces that mix and match effortlessly. Next, focus on identifying your personal style preferences. What colors make you feel your best? Are you drawn to classic, timeless looks, or do you prefer to stay on trend? Think about your lifestyle too. Do you need comfortable, practical pieces, or can you lean into more formal styles? Understanding what works for you will help you build a wardrobe that feels authentic and cohesive. Simplifying your wardrobe can feel a little daunting at first, but trust me, it's so liberating. With a smaller curated collection, you'll be amazed at how many more outfit options you'll actually enjoy. Gone are the days of feeling overwhelmed by too many choices. Instead, you'll feel more confident and inspired each day and even save time and money with more intentional purchases. Remember, simplifying your wardrobe isn't about having fewer clothes, but about creating a refined, cohesive collection that truly works for you. Less really is more when each piece has purpose and fits your style. With these tips, you'll be able to streamline your closet and make getting dressed a stress-free, enjoyable experience. Remember, it's not about having more clothes. It's about having the right clothes that fit your style, your life, and make you feel amazing. Thank you so much for watching. If these tips helped, don't forget to subscribe and officially join the Peel family for more elegance and empowerment tips. Let us know in the comments which tip was your favorite, and share this video with someone who might need a little wardrobe inspiration. Until next time, stay blessed, stay elegant, and purposeful.